September 11, 2001, dawned like any other day. The city was waking up to a crystal-clear morning, with the first light of dawn painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. The air was crisp, and there was a sense of calm and normalcy that enveloped the city. The sun shone brightly over New York City, casting a warm glow on the bustling streets below. The clear skies promised a beautiful day ahead, and the city was alive with the sounds of morning routines. The streets were filled with the usual hustle and bustle, as people went about their daily lives, unaware of the impending tragedy. People headed to work, tourists admired the sights, and the city that never sleeps hummed with its usual energy. The cafes were filled with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, and the sidewalks were crowded with people in a hurry to reach their destinations. It was a typical morning in New York City, where every corner was a testament to the city's vibrancy and resilience. No one could have imagined that this beautiful morning would soon transform into one of the darkest days in American history. The Twin Towers stood tall and proud, a symbol of the city's strength and ambition. But beneath the surface of this serene morning, a storm was brewing that would change everything. The events that unfolded would forever change the course of the 21st century, leaving an indelible mark on the United States and the world. The attacks on the World Trade Center would not only alter the skyline of New York City, but also the lives of countless individuals. The impact of that day would be felt for generations to come, as the world grappled with the aftermath and sought to understand the reasons behind such an unimaginable act. The resilience and unity that emerged in the wake of the tragedy became a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity, reminding us all of the strength that can be found in the face of adversity. At 8:46 a.m. Eastern Time, American Airlines Flight 11, en route from Boston to Los Angeles, crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center. The impact between the 93rd and 99th floors sent shockwaves throughout the city and beyond. As smoke and debris billowed from the gaping hole in the iconic skyscraper, news outlets around the world scrambled to report on the unfolding disaster. Initially, many assumed it was a terrible accident. Minutes later, at 9:03 a.m., a second plane, United Airlines Flight 175, also from Boston and bound for Los Angeles, struck the South Tower of the World Trade Center. This time, the impact occurred between the 77th and 85th floors, igniting a massive fire. With both towers ablaze, it became horrifyingly clear that this was no accident. America was under attack. As the terrifying events unfolded in New York City, another hijacked plane, American Airlines Flight 77, crashed into the Pentagon in Arlington, Virginia, at 9:37 a.m. The impact on the west side of the building caused a partial collapse and sparked a raging fire. While the Pentagon was also a symbol of American power, the choice of the World Trade Center as a target indicated the terrorists' aim to strike at the heart of American capitalism and global trade. Section 5. The world reacts. The world watched in horror and disbelief as the events of September 11th unfolded. The collapse of the Twin Towers, symbols of American economic power and ingenuity, left a void in the New York City skyline and a collective sense of grief across the globe. International leaders expressed condolences and condemned the attacks. Section 6. The War on Terror. The attacks of September 11th had profound and far-reaching consequences, shaping U.S. foreign policy for years to come. President George W. Bush declared a war on terror and vowed to hunt down those responsible for the attacks. The U.S. launched military operations in Afghanistan and Iraq, targeting al-Qaeda, the terrorist organization led by Osama bin Laden, which claimed responsibility for the 9/11's attacks. Section 7. A legacy of change. In the aftermath of 9/11's, the U.S. implemented significant changes to its security measures. The tragic events of that day left an indelible mark on the nation, prompting a re-evaluation of how to protect its citizens from future threats. The immediate response was a mix of grief, resilience, and a determination to ensure such an attack would never happen again. The Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, was established in November 2001 to enhance security protocols at airports across the country. This new agency was tasked with the monumental job of securing the nation's transportation systems, particularly focusing on aviation. Passengers soon became accustomed to more rigorous screening processes, including removing shoes, limiting liquids, and undergoing full-body scans. These measures, though sometimes inconvenient, were widely accepted as necessary steps to ensure safety. The Patriot Act, a controversial law passed in October 2001, expanded the government's surveillance powers in the name of national security. This legislation allowed for increased monitoring of communications, financial transactions, and other activities that could be linked to terrorism. While some hailed it as a crucial tool for preventing future attacks, others raised alarms about the potential for abuse and the erosion of civil liberties. These measures, while aimed at preventing future attacks, also raised concerns about civil liberties and privacy rights. The balance between security and freedom became a hotly debated topic, with many questioning how much privacy should be sacrificed in the name of safety. Over the years, this debate has continued, influencing policies and public opinion. The legacy of these changes is a complex tapestry of increased security, ongoing vigilance, and a society grappling with the implications of living in a post-9/11 world. Section 8. Living with the Memory. The 9/11's attacks had a profound impact on American society. The nation came together in a spirit of unity and resilience, but the attacks also left a lasting sense of vulnerability. The images of the collapsing towers, the heroic first responders, and the grieving families became seared into the national memory. Section 9. The Enduring Spirit. The legacy of 9/11's continues to shape the world today. The events of that fateful day have left an indelible mark on the collective consciousness of humanity. From the ashes of destruction, a new era of vigilance and awareness emerged. The world was forced to confront the harsh realities of terrorism and the need for heightened security measures. The impact of 9/11 is felt not just in the United States, but across the globe, influencing policies, security protocols, and international relations. The fight against terrorism remains a global priority, with nations coming together to combat this pervasive threat. International military cooperation has reached unprecedented levels, with joint operations and intelligence sharing becoming the norm. The global community understands that terrorism knows no borders, and a united front is essential in the battle against extremism. The sacrifices made by countless individuals in this ongoing struggle are a testament to the unwavering commitment to safeguarding peace and security. And the events of that day serve as a reminder of the importance of international cooperation and understanding. The United Nations and other international bodies have played pivotal roles in fostering dialogue and collaboration among nations. Diplomatic efforts have been intensified to address the root causes of terrorism, such as poverty, political instability, and ideological extremism. The spirit of unity and mutual respect is more crucial than ever in building a safer and more harmonious world. Yet, amidst the tragedy, the spirit of resilience and compassion shines through. The stories of courage, sacrifice, and selflessness that emerge from the rubble of Ground Zero are a powerful reminder of the best of humanity. First responders, firefighters, and ordinary citizens risked their lives to save others, embodying the true essence of heroism. Their actions continue to inspire generations, reminding us that even in the darkest of times, the light of human kindness can prevail, and unity demonstrated on 9/11 and its aftermath continue to inspire hope. Memorial ceremonies and candlelight vigils held annually serve as poignant reminders of the lives lost and the enduring impact of their legacy. These acts of remembrance bring communities together, fostering a sense of solidarity and shared purpose. They remind us that while we may face unimaginable challenges, our collective strength and determination can help us overcome adversity, and remind us of the enduring strength of the human spirit. The diverse group of people holding hands in remembrance parks symbolizes the unity and resilience that define us as a global community. It is a testament to our ability to come together, regardless of our differences, to support one another in times of need. The enduring spirit of humanity is a beacon of hope, guiding us towards a future where peace and understanding prevail.